Now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 12, Clean India Mission, Comprehension. A. Complete the table with information about the places discussed in the lesson and the healthy practices they followed. First place is Maulinong and people associated with it, villagers. Practices they follow, plastic free zone, bamboo basket for waste. Then second is Bekinakeri. Place is Bekinakeri and people associated with it, villagers, elders, Anganwadi workers and volunteers. And practices they followed, good morning wishes to defecators. Then third place is Kotabhari in Chhattisgarh and people associated with it, Kuwarbai. Practices but they follow, built toilets and invited people to understand the benefits of toilet. Then next is Warsaw Beach and people associated with it, Afroz Shah, Harbansh Mathur, peoples in Mumbai. And practices they follow, cleaning up of garbage from beach. Then last one is Mudukarai, Coimbatore and people associated with it, Green Friends, 50 women. And practices they follow, waste segregation. Then we start question and answers. B. Answer these questions briefly. When and why was the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started? And answer is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started on October 2nd, 2014. It was aimed at creating a cleaner nation and spreading awareness regarding the same. Then second question. Where is Maulinong and why is it called God's own garden? Maulinong is a small village in Meghalaya. It is often called God's own garden because it is the cleanest village in Asia. Then third question. What have the villagers of Maulinong placed in every nook and corner? How are they useful? An answer is the villagers have placed bamboo baskets everywhere in their village in order to ensure that there is minimal litter in the surroundings. Then fourth question. How did the people of Maulinong prevent plastics from polluting their environment? And answer is the village is a plastic free zone. The villagers do not permit the use of plastics in the village and have also planned to limit the number of tourists to the village. Then fifth question. Who was the oldest Swachh Bharat warrior and what did this person do? Answer is Kuwarbai was the oldest Swachh Bharat warrior. She sold her goats and built toilets in order to spread awareness about the benefits of toilets. Question number 6. Who was the first person to help Afroz Shah clean up Warsaw Beach? And answer is Harbansh Mathur. Afroz Shah's neighbor was the first person to help him with the beach cleanup. Then seventh question. How did Afroz Shah and his friends clean up Warsaw Beach? Answer is the volunteers picked up one piece of rubbish at a time to clean up the beach. Question number 8. Why did Mudukarai enter the Guinness Book of World Records? And answer is Mudukarai entered the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest recycling lesson in the world. Question number 9. What do the Green Friends do every morning? Every morning, the Green Friends collect solid waste from each household in the town and they segregate that into 8 different bins. Later, they dispose these into larger bins kept at several places in the town. What are the benefits of keeping our surroundings clean and hygienic? Keeping our surroundings clean and hygienic help us to enjoy fresh air and keeps disease causing germs at bay. It also results in beautiful, great surroundings that are pristine. Then C. Think and answer the questions. First, does India require an initiative like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to solve the problems of health and sanitation? Justify your answer. And answer is an initiative like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it has been argued, is not necessary. However, the initiative is necessary for a country like India because it provides encouragement to people even in the remotest of villages to clean their surroundings. As in the case of the villages, in the lesson, different places interpret the cleanup drive in the various ways leading to a cleaner nation. Next question. There are many beaches in the world that are in dire need of cleaning up. Does rubbish entering the oceans and other water bodies affect our health? And answer is yes. Rubbish entering the oceans affect our health in many ways. First, the fragile ecosystem of ocean is affected badly by the plastic waste, leading to an imbalance. This affects us as phytoplankton provides 90% of the oxygen in the atmosphere. And second, the fish in the ocean consumes plastic and other waste. We eat this fish consuming the waste that we dump into the ocean. Drinking water is also contaminated by water pollution in the coastal areas. Then last question. Do you think that the participation of citizens could help India become clean sooner? Give reasons for your answer. Answer is yes. The participation of citizens can help India become clean sooner because the population of India is large and there are many resources in the hands of the people. Also, creating an awareness of the surroundings would also prevent littering and lead to a cleaner environment.